Some of the strangest scientific discoveries were never planned at all. They began as routine experiments designed to test something completely ordinary. Then a mistake, delay, or unexpected reaction changed everything. Here, the pattern breaks. Some accidents produced results no one was even searching for. Instead of failure, these moments revealed entirely new phenomena. In one case, an experiment left untouched overnight behaved differently by morning. The data made no sense until researchers realized time itself was the missing variable. Another accident revealed reactions that only occurred under flawed conditions. Removing the error caused the phenomenon to disappear entirely. This shift unsettled scientists, forcing them to rethink how discovery actually happens. Some accidental experiments could never be repeated the same way again. And in those rare moments, chance revealed truths intention never could.